Students, in today's video we are going to learn how to download and use the Zoom app. So I'm sure all of you know that for your live class sessions we are going to be using the Zoom app to make video calls with the trainer and our other classmates. So first step is to download Zoom. You can just go to Play Store and download the app. ZOOM is the spelling of the app. As you can see, I have already downloaded the app. So I'm just going to quickly open it and show you what the app looks like. So this is what the app looks like. However, we are not going to be doing anything right now with the app. So I'm just going to close it. All right. So how do you join a meeting? So to join the meeting, all you have to do is after you download the Zoom app, just click on this link. Once you press that, your phone is going to ask you whether you want to open that link via Google Chrome or through Zoom, and you can press Zoom. Once your app loads, the first thing that it's going to ask you is to enter your name. So you can just enter your name. I have entered my name, Pranav Kaushik, and then press OK. After that is done, Zoom is going to ask you if you want to allow Zoom to record audio. So please press allow, otherwise you will not be able to speak or you will not be able to listen to anybody. You only have to do this once, the first time that you're on Zoom. After that, it is not going to ask you this question. Now after this, one very crucial important step is, as soon as you join the meeting, you will not be able to hear anybody. You won't be able to hear your friends, your trainers, or anyone. That is because of this particular option, which is join audio. It is absolutely important. It is very, very important that whenever you join a Zoom meeting, please look at this option. If it says join audio, I want you to click that option. Once you click that option, it will ask call over internet. Now this, if you don't select call over internet, you will not be able to hear anything in the classroom. So only if you press this call over internet, and you have to do this in every class. Remember, every class you have to do this. Please press this call over internet option. Only if you press this will you be able to hear your trainer and your other classmates. Once you press that, you can see that the symbol itself has changed. Now it has become a mic symbol. So in every class, it is always good practice to turn off both your mic and your video. Please mute it if you are not speaking. So how to mute yourself is, if you just press this button, you will mute yourself and it will look something like this. Now both your audio and video are both on mute, and if you want to speak or if you want to show your face, you can press these two buttons again, and then once you are done speaking, please go on mute once again. Okay, so now how do you check who are all the other people who are there in your classroom? So for that, you can go to this participants option. Once you click that, you will be able to see all the participants who are there in the class. Right now there are only a few participants, that is just me, but once you are in your class, you will be able to see all the names of your friends and the trainers as a list over here. And if you want to go back, please press this close option. Awesome. So now, how do we check, how do we chat with our trainer, how do we chat with our classmates? For that, please press this more button, the three dots that you can see. Once you press this more button, these are the four options that you will get. Here you have the chat option. So you can click the chat option, and once you click the chat option, it will take you to the chat. Here you can write anything. and your trainer and your classmates will be able to see it. So when you're on mute and you want to ask a question, it is always advisable that you use the chat option to talk to your friends. And once you're done chatting, please press this close option. Once you press the close option, you will come back to this screen. Great. Now we have understood how to mute, how to unmute ourselves, how to look at all the other classmates, and how to chat with someone. Now, how to leave a meeting. You can see this leave option over here. If you press this leave option, this is the option that you will get. So to quit a meeting, press leave meeting, and if you press that, you will successfully get out of Zoom app. I hope this video was very helpful and it has made it a lot clear on how to use Zoom to join your live classes. Thank you.